Hey guys, we're going to read this story called It's a Firefly Night by Betsy Snyder. All right. When the moon is high and the stars are bright, Daddy tells me it's a firefly night. Ooh, this book is beautiful. I hop off the porch. I feel the air warming my legs and messy hair. Ooh, air, hair, those are rhyming words. Grass tickles my toes. I zip through the yard, chasing fireflies. Gotcha to put in my jar. I heard some rhyming words. All right, fireflies shimmer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My jar's like a light bulb that's just come alive. 5, alive. Those are rhyming words. Fireflies glimmer. All of them glow. I race to show Daddy their dancing light show. So glow and show are rhyming words. Flickering quicker, they sparkle and shine. I love catching fireflies, but they are not mine. Shine and mine are rhyming words. I take one gently out of my jar. My hand is a cage for one tiny star. So jar, star are rhyming words. Uncurling my hand, easy and slow, I whisper goodbye, then I let it go. Good. Slow and go. Soon many fireflies open their wings. They flitter and flutter, soar over my, what are these? It's not going to be a rhyming word. Listen again. Soon my fireflies open their wings. They flitter and flutter, soar over my swings. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Drift through moonlight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blink in the night. They are so cute. We walk back to the house. I hold Daddy's hand tight. Will tomorrow, I ask, be a firefly night, tight and night? That's so fun. So here are some facts about fireflies. On hot summer days, fireflies rest in tall grass on the leaves of plants and trees. They like to fly around between dusk and midnight when the air is damp and cool. Fireflies range in size from 1/5 of an inch to 1 inch in length. Although commonly called a firefly or lightning bug, the insect is really a beetle. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Fireflies need moist habitats. They are found around swampy and grassy areas, often at the edge of creeks, streams, and ponds. The firefly grows in stages from egg to larva to adult insect. That's neat. Some larvae give off light. When that happens, people call them glowworms. Huh, that's really cool. Scientists believe fireflies light up in rhythmic patterns to attract males or to warn one another about dangers. Farmers and gardeners love fireflies because the larvae eat many snails, slugs, and other pests. Because they live only 3 to 4 weeks, most adult fireflies do not even eat. That's crazy. A female firefly will lay up to 500 eggs on the underside of leaves in wet moss or water. That's cool. There are over 2,000 firefly species. Wow, I feel like we learned a lot. Bye, guys.